Wake up.
You wake up. Then number 3. Where is number 3? What do you do in number 3?
Number 3, I wash my hair. I need to do in hair. I need to clean up. I need to do in this phone.
After number 3, what did you do? This or this? Brushing teeth or wearing uniform? Okay, this one's number 4.
Number 4.
What is number 4?
Number 4, like the brush teeth.
Brush teeth.
She's need to brush teeth. So many dirty on the teeth.
Yeah.
Disgusting.
Disgusting.
She's doing this. She's doing this. She's doing to wash in the teeth. She's coming to the dirty. Is she have only drink? She's need to drink. She's put into the work. She's go to the school.
After number 4, after you brush your teeth, what did you do? This one.
This one I need to do in my form. I need to do in my dress. I need to do in my dress.
So this is number 4, and this one is?
Number 5.
Yes, right down.
I'm done it.
So, do you wear your uniform by yourself?
Yes.
No.
Why?
Anu help you.
No. You
Yes.
not help me.
I did help you.
You help me.
Yes.
Why?
Because you cannot wear your uniform by yourself.
I know.
Okay. Finish your homework?
Yes.
Good job.